Hey friends, welcome back to Putting Up with the Pompons. We are a mother-daughter YouTube channel where we showcase and discuss our natural hair care and routine, giving you quick and easy hairstyles that are simple to achieve and take minimum effort. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Come join the family. We would love to have you. And don't forget to hit the bell to turn on your notifications to check our weekly videos. So in this tutorial, I have my lovely middle daughter, Kaylani here, and we are styling her hair into two messy buns with braids in the front. So it's kind of a half style where you style one half of the hair and the other half is either putting buns, a ponytail, or simply letting the curls out. But we have not hit curls out weather just yet here in North Carolina, so messy buns it is. So right now I'm just parting her hair. I went in with some gel. Now her hair is dirty. She is in need of a wash, but we're in the middle of the week and I'm not ready to wash her hair just yet. So this style will take her out for the rest of the school week until the weekend where I have a wash day. So I'm going in with some Eco Styler gel just to kind of help with the frizziness and lay that hair down so we can perform these cornrows. Now, if you are not an expert at cornrows, this is definitely a skill that was self-taught for me, but I do not know how to teach others, and I apologize. So if you are not as skilled at the cornrows, you can just do a simple rubber band, connect the dots here. Keep the same parts, but just make smaller parts and rubber band each section until you connect it all into one row. We've done styles like that plenty of times here on our channel. So if that's something you would love to check out, do not forget to check out the girls Pompon Sisters hair care playlist, where there are so many tutorials and videos on so many other ways that we style the girls' hair. So I'm doing 4 of these braids, and as you can see, they are in this nice little triangle, very simple and easy to do. You do not have to worry about it being super straight or clean, especially if you aren't good at doing straight parts, which I still struggle with to this day. As much hair as I do, I am not good when it comes to making straight parts. Women who do know how to do it, or people who do know how to make straight parts, I envy you. So for me, diagonal and curve and zigzag parts are always up my alley because I don't have to worry about it being straight with the forehead and the nose and the ears and have to pull out my ruler and all that good stuff. Now that I have finished installing the cornrows in the front, it is now time to tackle these curls in the back. So I did a straight part right down the middle to create these 2 messy buns. And I love doing messy buns on Kaylani's hair when it is a little dirty because it makes for such an easy and effortless looking messy bun. Her hair is frizzy and a little tangled, and this is perfect. So what I do here is just kind of create like a little donut bun, kind of wrap it around very loosely and messy, and boom. I mean, there it is. That's really all it is to it, and secure it with a rubber band. I am adding some snap clips in there because you just can't have a hairstyle without hair accessories. But here's a closer look at her messy bun. And as you can see, it is not much. There's not much to it. Now, if I do want to pin a few curls here and there, I will go in with some bobby pins. But the messy buns came out great, and I love them, so I left them alone. But sometimes I do struggle with her messy bun, and bobby pins are always the way to go. Now that that is done, I'm adding in some butterfly clips because those are very trendy for little girl hairstyles right now, and they add the right amount of color without doing too much. And there it is, a simple style that'll carry her out for the rest of the school week, and she did keep that style in for 3 days. Thank you guys for joining us on another kids hair care tutorial. We greatly appreciate having you guys here. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like button if you appreciate this tutorial. Be blessed and be safe.